Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Shatabdi Dhar, Senior Faculty of Computer Science and Technology Department. On behalf of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology, would like to welcome you all to watch this video of our CST department. This video is going to mainly focus on our Department of Computer Science and Technology of SVIST. Let us understand why we study computer science. Looking for the easiest way to understand the computer science and technology? Here we go. Simple. Computer plus science plus technology. Today we are rushing towards the computerization and modernization in our social, professional, occupational, defense and many other activities. Frankly, we should say computer is now an essential part of our life and needs. But why? It is mainly because of the error-free and fast operation and no need to keep hard store and transport the data. Your time is in your one click. Diploma in Computer Science and Technology and further graduation in Computer Science and Engineering is the most sought discipline of engineering courses and is a practical and scientific approach to its application. Do you want to see yourself designing and creating software systems? Then computer science is absolutely going to be the right choice for you. If you are thinking of becoming a manager or administrator to a technical enterprise, a degree in computer science could provide you with the background needed to achieve your goals. If you are thinking about becoming a researcher in a technical field, computer science could provide you with the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed. This knowledge and experience will allow you to develop cutting-edge solutions that address today's challenges. When applied in an interdisciplinary fashion, students can also draw on their other areas of interest such as biology, business, cybersecurity, economics, engineering, information assurances, languages and linguistics, mathematics, physics and public policy. Now let us know about scope of CST. Since virtually every industry and business sector relies on computer and technology, the job opportunities for computer science and technology are very broad and flexible. According to the US Bureau of Labor and Statistics, the job outlook for the field is expected to grow by 12% between 2014 to 2024. Employment of computer hardware engineers is projected to grow 6% from 2018 to 2028, about as fast as the average for all occupations. A limited number of engineers will be needed to meet the demand for new computer hardware because more technological innovation takes place with software than with hardware. The best computer and IT jobs for which diploma in computer science and technology students can go after completing their course are information technology manager, data scientist, IoT developer, artificial intelligence designer, blockchain developer, quantum quantity surveyor, software developer, applications architect, network engineer, database administrator, graphic designer, ethical hacker, cloud solution architect, web developer, information security analyst, mobile application developer. Also, they can go for their higher studies like Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering, Master of Engineering in Computer Engineering, Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Networking, Doctor in Philosophy, that is PhD in Computer Science. Now, why should you study Computer Science and Technology in SVIST? Our department in SVIST is well equipped with eminent and well experienced professors who guide and are mentoring each and every students of our department very well. And also, we have well equipped laboratories with high configured machines. Variety of teaching and learning techniques are employed to impart knowledge and skills to students. Different subjective trainings along with special training classes for GLATE entrance exam are organized from our department. For application of the theoretical knowledge into the reality, different type of software projects, Tech Fest, Culture Fest, annual sports, e-magazine on technical issues, quiz competition, technical poster competition, painting competition, photography competition and several other competitions are organized in our institution, where students work very hard and apply their innovative ideas. Our department has 3 well-equipped computer labs with high configured PCs, supported with high-speed internet connection and all the necessary equipment for other labs. Our students work very hard for preparation for their projects, for TechFest and performing wonderful and innovative projects with the guidance of our faculties. Placement record is very good in our institution. Though maximum number in CST students prefer to have higher education, many of our students are placed in reputed companies. Some of them are given here. From our entire Computer Science and Technology department, I want to thank all for watching this video.